Today, we're diving into the topic, how to cancel a DoorDash order. It might seem like a simple process, but there are a few steps and considerations that can make it a smoother experience. Firstly, it's essential to act quickly. As soon as you realize you need to cancel your order, open the DoorDash app. Time is of the essence because once a restaurant starts preparing your food, your options to cancel and get a refund might be limited. To cancel an order, follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to the Orders tab on the bottom of your DoorDash app screen. Here, find the order you wish to cancel and select it. Look for the Help option, usually found in the top right corner of the order page. Tap on it, and then select Cancel Order. The app will then guide you through a few prompts to confirm the cancellation. It's important to note that depending on how far along your order is in the preparation process, you may be charged a fee or unable to cancel directly through the app. In such cases, contacting DoorDash customer support as soon as possible is your next best step. If you do manage to cancel your order in time, you'll want to know about refunds. DoorDash typically issues refunds to the original payment method. The time it takes for the refund to reflect can vary, but it's typically within 5-7 business days. In conclusion, the key to canceling a DoorDash order is acting fast and following the steps provided in the app. Remember, the flexibility to cancel and receive a full refund decreases as the preparation of your order progresses. Thank you for watching. Understanding how to navigate order cancellations on DoorDash not only saves you from potential frustration, but also ensures that you're making the most out of your experience with the service. Stay savvy with your orders and you'll be a DoorDash pro in no time.